educational series brought to you by Dominion Aesthetic Technologies.
Hello everybody, I'm Christian Bloomgren and I'm excited to be here today as part of the EON educational series to talk about smarter business practices. It's a subject I'm really passionate about and it's one of the things that really makes us special here at Dominion. For those of you who don't already know about Dominion, a little bit about us as a company. We were founded in 2016 in San Antonio, Texas. We're now headquartered in Houston, Texas. We got our 510K clearance for EON laser in 2019 and this year, 2021, we launched the product. So we're really excited at this point during this webinar series to be halfway through our first year of launch with really exciting stories, and we've learned so much and some great partnerships. And really part of that success is the smarter business practices that we're going to talk about today. So what we should probably start with is a little baseline about EON as a product. So for those that don't know already, EON is the first robotic touchless laser for body contouring. It's a very innovative and disruptive product. We came into the space really on the heels of so many robotic devices that were already in general medicine and surgery. We were really the first to come in and revolutionize the aesthetic space. And so body contouring in particular, there are a lot of benefits to robotics. So anything that we can help with variability from the operator, consistency, safety, ease of use, efficiency, and overall experience for the patient, we're able to improve through robotics and through our smarter body contouring. But today we're going to talk a little bit about smarter business practices. Our smarter business practices start with a smarter device, and EON is smarter body contouring after all. EON uses 42 unique sensors that drive its autonomous decision-making and patient safety. Those are proximity, temperature, gyro, and airflow sensors. On top of that, the device itself is connected. So this robotic connectivity is a really key component in how we are able to enable some of our smarter business practices. The reason for that is because this connectivity online allows us to do ongoing device diagnostic, to do virtual consumable management, and to on an ongoing basis collect treatment data. So that's a really unique factor with our device that other devices don't have. Many require a physical consumable card, applicator, or counter to be able to kind of monitor the use of the device. Ours is always online, relaying that information along with all of the capabilities and activity of the device. So we're really always connected to our customers, to our partners through this online robotic connectivity. And that also lends itself to the future. So future capabilities will be able to push down updates, enhanced capabilities, enhancements, all sorts of ways that we can interact and stay engaged with our partners and with the patients through robotic connectivity. And that's really just kind of a fundamental piece of smarter business practices. So the first step in smarter business practices is to become a partner. And we're excited. We have some great partners already, and we're looking to grow our list with some really qualified, fantastic partners out there in the months ahead as part of this launch. So the way we do our pricing, when you look at the industry with body contouring, there are two levers primarily. There's a capital expense for the device and a consumable lever for the use. And traditionally, most devices have both of those. So you're paying an upfront charge for the purchasing the device, and then you're paying ongoing use for the consumable, which many times has to be ordered or inventoried and used as needed. So what we've tried to do is innovate in that area by really pushing on the consumable lever. And the great thing about us, as I said earlier, through our connectivity, is that our consumable is 100% virtual. So not only is EON robotic and touchless, but it's connected. So there's no physical consumable for you to use. The device keeps track of the use by segments. And so our pricing and partnerships is all about paying for segment use or just for the utilization that you have. And that's why it truly is a partnership. So we price things by segment. There are 3 different segment sizes that you can apply to perform a treatment on an abdomen. A typical abdomen is 2.5 to 3 segments. So you're looking at something about the size of a half a sheet of paper, maybe covering your lower abdomen would be 1 segment, and then you could do some other different shapes to be able to cover the rest of the abdomen. And today it's about 2.5 to 3 segments equals an abdomen. I'll put on the screen how we price those, and what we recommend is minimal allowable pricing for our partners. And that'll kind of give you a frame of reference of what this looks like for you. But the bottom line is that through our partnership program, you're able to offer very competitive pricing to all the technology that's out there with a premium service offering through our partnership with no upfront capital expense purchase. So that's a really innovative model, and that's why we really do call it a partnership, in that you're profitable from treatment number one with us. So when you look at other devices where there's potentially financing required or maybe a major outlay of capital to be able to get the device on site, with us, we qualify, work together, prepare your account to be a great partner for us, and then we work together to help you win in your practice and be successful treating patients with EON. And when you're successful with EON, we're successful with EON. And that's why it really is a partnership. So I'll put up on the screen here how EON partnership pricing is really driving profitability. But what you'll see is that there's a tiered segment pricing based on the amount of segments you use per month. So one thing that we heard loud and clear from our partners is, hey, if I use this a lot, I would love to be able to get a price break or a discount for higher volume. And so that's something we implemented here as well. There's a baseline use cost of approximately $350 per segment, which if you looked at that, it's something like a 60-40 split on profit sharing for a treatment. But that price goes all the way down to as low as $200 per segment with higher volume each month at a very affordable cost to you with great margins and no upfront investment on your end. So there's some details on there that we could talk through a little bit later. But what you should know is that there's a qualification process. So we're looking at putting 100 plus machines out in this first year. So it's really important to us that every one of our partners is a great qualified partner for us. And we could talk a little bit about what that means. But in general, we're looking for plastics, derms, and sophisticated med spas that have an existing patient base that they can market to, some marketing capabilities, and some staff capabilities that we can work with through our training and marketing department to help you guys promote and successfully complete a minimum of 1 to 2 full abdomen treatments per week. So that's sort of what a basic expectation looks like on our end, and a kind of a commitment to use, if you will, as part of this partnership. All right, so number one step was becoming a partner. We talked a little bit about that. The next step is really about partnership, and it's a two-way street. So we need to be here as a company to support you and help you achieve your goals, and in turn, we'll be successful together. So there are a couple of really key components to that success, and we here at the Dominion team are ready to get out there and help you train and market and support you in your launch of EON. So training and marketing are really critical, and we have some great resources on the training side to start. Some electronic learning platforms and resources, digital, video, and live training that we do, a didactic and a certification program. We have a bunch of resources that will be available for everybody in your staff, and it's very important to us that we do some pre-learning, some live learning, and follow-up learning to make sure that everybody in the practice is really comfortable and excited about how EON works and knows how to safely operate for the best results for your patients. So EON training is critical, and we've got some great resources there, and we continue to add to those. As we have devices out longer and longer, we've learned some best practices. We're constantly adding series like this around how to operate the device and how to get better results and share best practices. And that's really all a part of that online learning platform that we like to really host both virtually and of course support you guys live as well. So count on us to be great training partners for you going forward. The next step is really around marketing, and we're fortunate in that all of our partners have some great experience already marketing, and they have some proven success in their practices marketing services to an established patient base. And we're able to come in with our digital assets, our branding guidelines, our logos, videos, before and after photos, all of those great things from our marketing team, and really work with you to insert those into your channel to help you be successful. In fact, we've outlined a multi-week marketing plan, both before launch, at launch, and after launch, to enable you to really raise the noise level around EON in your practice, drive patients to the phone, to get consultations, and ultimately to get patients booked and great before and afters afterwards. So if you see on the screen, you can see some of these beautiful digital assets that we have. We of course have some physical ones, banners, signage, things of that nature, and patient education brochures that would be available in your offices. So that list continues to grow, and we're really proud of the assets that we have, and our partners are really excited about having them in their practices as well, along with this beautiful robotic device, EON. So there's some great examples of both the training and the marketing in action. So it's easy to talk about kind of the blueprint and the programs that we have, but there's some true account success stories that I'd like to highlight and talk about what's made them successful and sort of what resources they've leaned on and been able to capitalize on. So one of them is Dream Spa Medical in the Boston area, and you can see on the screen maybe some examples of the work that they've done out there. We'd be happy to show them, or maybe you could check them out on Instagram or one of their social media platforms. But they've just done a fantastic job partnering and leveraging our social media assets as well as creating their own. And so social media, as you guys all know, is really become so important in driving patients to the phone and into the practice. So they've done a fantastic job, and that's really translated to volume for them and successful treatments in their practices. They've also done a great job with the before and after photos, using a mix of email marketing, newsletters, and more recently even an influencer program that we're happy to host and help coordinate for them. So they've done a great job in particular at capturing the patient experience and creating an informative social content that people are really drawn to and connect with. So hats off to Dream Spa, and I know if everybody looks at them, you can see some of the great things that they've done and probably be able to mirror some of those things in your own practice. We'd love to help you. And then another great example is Southern Surgical Arts in Tennessee. So they've done a great job as well with social media, created a lot of buzz. They've got a huge following and a gigantic network and footprint, and that obviously drives a lot of patients into the practice. Their before and afters are very compelling. They've done them as early as like 4 to 6 weeks and followed up with that same patient as a testimonial, and those really connect with patients out there. So those have been fantastic. We've also found opportunities to partner with Southern Surgical at aesthetic conferences and through other venues, and they've included EON in their email marketing and newsletters, and they've just done a great job of really bringing authenticity to their message, in that they have a lot of personality and a lot of charisma at the practice, and that comes through in their entertaining, funny content that really draws people in and gets their attention. So hats off to Southern Surgical as well, leading the charge on bringing EON to the forefront in their practice and getting patients to enjoy the benefits of it. So Dream Spa and Southern Surgical, great examples of what good looks like for us. So let's take a look at some of their TikToks right now. Thanks for listening with me today, and to just bring it home, we talked about smarter body contouring and really how smarter business concepts are applied to that through partnering and partnership of this great connected device. It's really about the training and the marketing and the way that we work together to be successful. And we're excited to work with you guys on it. And we hope if you want to learn more, you can go on eonlaser.com and request